Hello everybody. In this video I want to show you power of interface in TypeScript. The problem that I have is quite common. I have information on some server. This information I receive as a JSON and I need to process this JSON and do something with it. Okay, so an example, I've took this website, and this website belong to Reddit. And you can get information from Reddit regarding any subject. Here, the subject is TypeScript. So I'm getting papers that are done in Reddit, and I have information about this. It looks very ugly, but if I will look, this is JSON, this looks more human readable, but still, if I want to show all the titles, I need to look inside and another, and I can get the title. And what I want to do, I want to show all the titles that this URL provides me. And every day this is changing. Okay, so this is what I want to do. And notice that, so this is the target of the video. I want to show you that when you're using it with interface, this task becomes very easy. Okay, so I'm going to create a vite project, TypeScript vite project. Vite latest. You can decide here on the name. I will accept the name because I will not use it. And I'm going to create a vanilla project. Enter. And with the arrow, choose vanilla TypeScript. So enter. And now I will remove this vite project because I'm already working on my repository. And this is my repository. Okay, so I will get all information from here and we'll remove it. Okay, so I'm not going to do this CD because everything is here, but I will do npm install and npm run dev just to see that the project is alive. Okay, so this is the project and you can access it here. Okay, this is the hello vite that you see here. Okay, so I'm going to access a server. I can use fetch, but I prefer to use Axios. And now what I want to do, I want to access this URL and get all the and log to the console all the titles. Okay, so I will create here utils.ts. This is my utilities module or utilities file. Okay, so now I'm going to write the function that take the information. So export function. And the URL is this. And now let's use Axios. So Axios dot get, provide the URL, and then response. Let's log response.data. Catch error. Okay, so this is not what I want to do, because I want to get the array of all the papers, and in this array I want to print only the titles. However, in this situation I don't have any types. I don't know how to access this array and how to access this title. I need to go to this JSON and start looking where is this array, and in this array where is the title. Oh, and sure, I can do it, but there is a good chance that I will make stupid mistakes and will waste time on this, and I don't want to waste time. I don't want to do it this way. What I'm going to do, I will remark this so you will see this. Okay, so I'm going to use here interface, and before I forget, I want to call this function from the main. Okay, so I want to call it from here. Okay, so print, and this is it. Okay, so I'm going to work here, but I need an interface. So how do I get an interface? I have the JSON, but this is quite complicated. Okay, you see that it is complicated. Is there a way to create automatically, or with a passion or button push, get the interface from the JSON? Well, there is. There are a few ways, and one that I really like was this JSON to TypeScript. This is a website. Okay, this website, and you simply provide the JSON and you get the interface. It is so easy. Okay, so let's do it. Let's get the JSON here, but here I will use the raw data. It's more suited for JSON to TypeScript. So Control A, Control C, and simply Control V. So everything is here. If you see here that this is red, that this is green, then this is okay. Okay, so the JSON is here, and I want to get the interface from this. Okay, generate TypeScript. He's going to create interfaces. Okay, so click here, and you see that I get here all the interfaces. So what I'm going to do, I will create here a directory, interfaces, and here I will create an interface for Reddit. Okay, so reddit.ts, and here I will put simply all these interfaces. So again, Control A, Control C, Control V. All the interfaces are here. You see, in one click of a button, and I don't need this. It's not required. Control S. The only thing that I need is which interface to use. And I get here a hint, root object. And to be on the safe side, I'm looking here again, JSON, and you see that I have here two fields, kind and data. And if you look here, you see kind and data, and you see that there is also here kind of data, but this is a child, okay? So this is the root object. This is the interface that I need. So I will take it and I will use it. So how am I going to use it? So first, let's call data. And this is what I get. This is equal to res.data. So let's take it from here. And let's import it. Quick fix, you see how easy it is. So quick fix. And now I want to get all the papers and all the arrays of the papers. So how do I access it? So let's do it like this. First, let's data dot and what is appropriate to see all the papers looks to me that this is children, okay? And if I will hover over this, I will see that this is an array of children. So this is an array. You see how TypeScript and types help me, okay? So let's just see that I'm getting this array. Refresh. Okay, I'm getting the array. So I can go inside and see here where is the title. It's not fun. Okay? There is a title, but is it on, where is it exactly? So what I will do is the following. For each, let's remove this. And I know that this is an array. This is an array of child. So let's remove it. And this element, you see it's a child. You see how convenient it is. Now I can remove this. And now I want to print the title of each child, of each paper in Reddit. So child dot, what should I choose, data or kind? Probably data. Dot, let's scroll down and see if we have a title. No need to write nothing. Title, yes. And now let's check it. Okay. Let's add here. We're going to be sure that this is the title. Let's see what we have. Let's remove it. Let's refresh. Okay, you see the title. You see the title of the JavaScript, of the TypeScript. Okay. And if I will change it to JavaScript, the same interface should exist. So refresh. Okay, this is JavaScript. This is JavaScript. And if I change it to React, I will get papers and titles about React. Okay, so refresh. Okay, React. So I will revert back to to TypeScript. And let's summarize this. Okay, let's look on the README. Okay, so the motivation is that we have a JSON that we want to consume for the web, and this JSON may be complex, and I want to access something from it. So yes, sure, I can look inside the JSON and start writing, but it's not very easy. It is much easier to use interface, but I don't want to create the interface. If you look at the interface, you see it is complicated. Okay, you see this is 210 lines. I don't want to write it myself. I want a tool that will create it for me. So this is what I've done. I've used this lovely tool, put here the JSON, and the interfaces are created. So I've put it here. Notice that this is the root object, and use it. And where did I use it? I use it here. Okay, so compare this with this one. And suppose that you have written this code and you did not have to look inside this code for a year, and then you come back. So if you have this code and you are trying to understand where is the title exist, you need to go back and forth between this code and this code. It's not convenient and it's error prone. Instead of this, I can go inside here, and here I can see the types, and I can go inside here, and I can go inside the child. Okay, and here I will find the title. It's here. So it is your decision if you want to work with JavaScript or you want to work with TypeScript, but I think that in this video I've showed you the power of TypeScript, and it cost me close to nothing. Thank you.